Welcome to Primo RV Centre. Inside, one of the best values in family camping on the market here in 2026. This is the Northern Spirit, made by Coachman. This is their 5260 BH model. So if you've got a bigger family or you're someone who does camp with certainly children, and often others are ending up there, this is a wonderful layout. Certainly less complications. You have no slide out, which certainly right now is something that's fairly hot in the market, and certainly for ourselves. Our family campers absolutely love, as well as our couples, kind of non-slide units, since they're spending a lot of time outside. So what's great about this unit, tip to tail, under 30 feet, under 4,900 pounds. So it's very, very towable by a wide range of vehicles. And it is something that they've kind of enabled you to add things as you go, which I really appreciate. So you're not sort of having to pay for things up front that maybe you don't use, but it's given you easy access to add things through time, which will take you there. So this particular model, again, brand new for 26, something that's really well done. So you've got a nice private front bedroom here at the front, lots of storage where you can leave everything in the camper, so you're not always having to take everything out. You've got lots of room under your queen bed here for extra bedding, pillows, those kinds of things. You are pre-wired in the bedroom should you want to have a TV in this location. We have ducted air right into the bedroom area. We've got outlets on both sides of the bed, so if anybody has a CPAP machine, no issues. And you've got cross flow here, airflow as well. And then you do have a little privacy door here as well that you can close. So again, nicely segmented here. We've got a great couch that does face a primary location if you want to add a TV. It does have the digital antenna already on the roof. You've got a lot of room there for a 32-inch TV plus. We can certainly add the mount or both TV and mount should you wish to have it right away. And it's something that all the hookups are there for you. So nothing that's difficult to have to be able to set up here for you. But nice thing is you've got that natural location. Again, this will flip down into a secondary bed. And the great dinette here with the huge window looking onto your campsite would also drop down into a bed as well. So nice thing here is especially if you have kids that are maybe heading into those teenage years where they are getting bigger, taller, certainly you have beds here that can house adults, but also teenagers that are certainly growing or will be expected to grow here shortly. We've got some extra little bit of room here right by our fire extinguisher, so a great spot to kind of set out a boot and shoe tray here where everything can have this location. If you've got a smaller dog, you can certainly set down a little spot for them here in the corner too. So everything sort of has its place, which I love. Lots of room in the kitchen, but you'll leave all your pots and pans here underneath. You've got a great 3-burner cooktop here with a vented fan outside. Nice big sink here. Even a paper shower holder already in place. Lots of room up top for your dishes, and you could certainly use the location above your couch there as well for that. You've got your traditional microwave here. Again, ducted air out here as well. So AC is kind of central right in the middle of the unit. And our furnace is just off to the left here of our fridge. Our fridge is going to be a 12-volt system, so 12-volt battery combination or electricity if you have it on site. So lots of room in there. Certainly 6+ cubic feet. Plus you've got a freezer here as well. So again, good size. And a lot of storage here. You've got a great little pantry here, but this could end up being storage for your guests as well. You're going to have some storage here under the dinette as well. So something that's there that you can take advantage of. You're going to have some pull down shades here so you can kind of block things out if you wish. So again, we'll open up some of that storage for you so you can see, again, nice divided here, so you could use some of it for your guests here in the back. An absolutely huge bunk, so we do have quite a bit of storage as well here, so you can flip it up or choose not to, depending. So if you're in transit, you could have some bigger cargo items there. You've got a window here in the bottom, which is also emergency exit window. Again, ducted AC right into the back here, and we do have USB outlets in both beds, so certainly if you've got some batteries you can recharge things. Great big bathroom. Again, what's very handy here on the road, if you just want to stop on your big trip and take a minute to make some lunch or use the bathroom, or if anybody has to, there's nothing to get in the way. So again, no slide outs, no kind of complications to get in your way. Great 3-piece bath, lots of hanging storage here for you as well. We've got LED lights here throughout, so very bright. Skylight here brings a lot of light in. You do have a fan as well to get rid of that humidity. And you've got some motion sensors for the light for the nighttime, so you can see where you're headed. So let's head outside here, and hopefully where most of your living is done. And again, I think it's a great coach for people who are really focused on living outside, because it gives you everything you need on the inside at a great value. Then when we head outside, they're actually using some upgraded materials out here. So let's start here on the front. So we come around. Got a very traditional tongue here, so room for one propane tank up front. Certainly we can arrange to have more if you think you need it. Most times, because you're not using a lot of propane anymore, having a couple batteries here would make a lot of sense. We do have a battery cutoff switch as well, so again you can preserve the power. So what's great about the Northern Spirit series here for this 2026 model year is they're pre-setting everything up on the roof for solar. So the great thing is, if you ever want to add that panel on the roof, all the wiring is done for you. There is also a solar controller already installed, so you could have 400 watts of solar on the roof if you wanted to. You'd already have one location kind of pre-set up, so very simple to add. For this particular year and this particular model, we are including a 100-watt solar panel that you could basically use off the front. And so it's a plug-and-play solar panel that you can kind of follow the sun with. So you'd always have something at least to start with that would allow you to charge those batteries. But if you want to add that ability to have that kind of charging as you drive, it's already set up on the roof, which I love. The other big feature here with the Northern Spirit series, the Deluxe series, is the siding they're using. So this is something that is an upgraded siding. It kind of came out in about 2021. Typically it's very high-end units that have used it, so units that are costing many more thousands of dollars than something like this. So I love the fact that if you're in an area that maybe is a bit more hail prone, or just you do get some more violent storms, this is something that is going to be more durable in those areas for sure. We certainly get those occasional storms where we do get some good hail, and this would certainly help to save a lot of units and insurance and everything else. So great to see them using upgraded materials. So you've got the great pass-through storage here. The far side, you're going to see that small black box. That is your solar charge controller, so everything's easily accessible. We've got our awning running just past the window here and past the door, so it gives you a nice big shaded area here. That's going to come out a full 8 feet. You've got a little pet tie-off area here, so if you've got a small dog with you, you can certainly tie off there. It's also a little bottle opener. You've got a couple outlets here as well, so if you want to plug in and you got power on site or using a generator, you can certainly do some cooking off there, or a little heater if you wish, if it's a cool day. We've got a great start here to an outside kitchen, so we've got an extra cube fridge if you've got power on site. We've got a spot here you can leave some spices, utilities, or utensils. And we've got a spot here that, again, you can leave some things out to eat. Great plug-in here, very handy for morning coffee, so you can certainly have a little coffee maker back here as well, and a little light to see what you're doing at nighttime. We do have 4 oversized jacks here. Don't have them down right now, but they are there, so nice and stable when you're on site. We are pre-set up for a backup camera here as well. We've got our spare tire here on the back, so easy to get to. And as we come around, we're going to have our water hookup, but I love to see that they've added for this year a block tank flush. So it's something that you're going to appreciate when you're going to clean out the tank, so you don't have to put a wand down the toilet. You can just do that when you have septic on site. You can hook that up to a separate water supply and clean out that black tank so the sensors read properly. Easy out here to help with winterization. Got our furnace outlet on the back side, which most people appreciate, so you're not going to have the carbon monoxide coming into your campsite area. 30 amp service is the standard, but if you didn't need AC, you could certainly run off 15 or 20 amps. We have our water fill here, so nice and easy to use. We have on-demand hot water as well, so that's controlled just inside the door as we come in. Tandem axle, so nice and stable on the road, and again, being under 4,900 pounds, there's a wide range of vehicles that can tow this, which is great. You do have a spray port here, so it's going to give you some cold water, ability to spray off your shoes, boots, everything else when you come back from the beach, the sandals, clean off the kids, clean off the bikes, and be ready for bed here, so you can do that outside. And we've got our standard city connection here for water, should you have it on site. And if you're lucky enough to have cable or satellite on site, you can do that hookup here as well. Again, we've got that easy access to our solar charger here on the back side. We've got the emergency exit window here for our front bedroom. As we come around front here on this 8-wide 5260 BH 2026 Northern Spirit, just a wonderful family value here. We quickly brought in 2 without having pictures, video, or anything. We've already sold 1, so it is a model that's really taken off for us, and certainly something we do have currently 1 available. And certainly if you'd like to come out and see us, just reach out. We'll make sure it's still here for you. And we think it's a wonderful addition to anybody who, again, maybe has a lot of visitors, perhaps has kids that are starting to get a little older, getting a little taller, something that you're going to be able to age with that family for quite a long time.